Hello photography enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you all. If you have a passion for photography and you want to turn your skills into a source of income, you are in for a treat. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 authentic websites where you can sell your photos and start earning money online. I am on my mobile, but it will be better if you explore these websites from your desktop or laptop. By the way, it works almost the same. So grab your camera and let's get started. Let's kick things off with Foap. Tap on these 3 lines and tap Switch to Creators, a user-friendly platform that welcomes both amateur and professional photographers. Foap allows you to upload your photos and make them available for sale in its marketplace. What's unique is the missions feature, where brands and companies request specific photos for their marketing campaigns. If your photo gets selected, you earn extra cash. With Foap, you get to showcase your creativity and potentially collaborate with big brands. Next up, we have Adobe Stock, a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud family. As one of the industry leaders, Adobe Stock provides a massive marketplace for your photos, reaching a wide audience of potential buyers. Since Adobe is a trusted name in the creative world, your photos have higher chances of getting noticed by clients and businesses. Plus, integration with Adobe's software makes it easy to upload and manage your portfolio. It's a win-win for photographers looking for exposure and recognition. The third in the list for earning money from your photo talent is Shutterstock, which needs no introduction as it's one of the most popular stock photography platforms out there. This website boasts millions of users, including designers, marketers, and content creators who are in constant search of captivating images. By joining Shutterstock, your photos become available to a global customer base, giving you the opportunity to earn royalties from every single download. If you're looking for a reputable and high-earning platform, just create your account today on Shutterstock and start selling your photos. Moving to Alamy, a platform known for its generous commission rates. With Alamy, you can sell your photos not only as stock images but also as exclusive or rights-managed content, allowing you to set your own prices. This flexibility gives you more control over your earnings. Alamy also welcomes unconventional and editorial style photos. So if you have a unique collection, this website is the perfect place to showcase and monetize your work. Last but definitely not least, we have Getty Images, one of the most prestigious platforms in the photography industry. Getty Images partners with talented photographers to license their images to media outlets, businesses, and creative agencies worldwide. While it might be more selective in its acceptance process, being featured on Getty Images can open doors to high-profile clients and exceptional earning opportunities. If you are ready to take your photography career to new heights, Getty Images is the pinnacle. And there you have it, 5 authentic and top-notch websites that offer you the chance to make money by selling your photos online. And if you want, I can make specific full tutorials about these 5 websites, that how you can create the account and how you can specifically sell the photos on these websites. But I will do that in the case I get the enough comments that they need the full tutorials for earning money through these platforms. Each of these 5 platforms brings something unique to the table, catering to different styles and preferences. So explore these websites, curate your best shots, and start earning money from your passion for photography. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and photography tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.